And finally, some words about commodity block of currencies from the part of FutureTrend channel for the date of 22nd May 2018. Here we see a stabilizing for a rising trend in the United States dollar, and from that point of view probably we could see a kind of some lasting correction of such kind of currencies like for example Australia dollar or New Zealand dollar. Let's see first of all the New Zealand dollar. At the moment the pair is at 75.86, and underlying trend still clear to the downside. But let's see the situation a little bit longer. Here, in case of some lasting correction in the price of the Aussie, we could see a rebound to 2018 downtrend line located around 76.85. For sure, the fast selling, strong selling in the currency will already appear around the 76.40 barrier. We suggest that for those still keeping our long trade advice, we suggest that it's time to lock in profits around 76.40. And we suggest that probably during over the course of this week we finally could see the levels between 76.40 76.80. Regarding the Kiwi dollar, here we don't have any kind of long positions, but also Kiwi dollar, after the lows touched on last week at 68.50, should also enter a more prolonged period of consolidation. But overall the situation still remains quite negative for the Kiwi dollar, while we are trading below 71.39. We are located moving average 200 daily line, and also this barrier, the lows, and now and now resistance barrier around 71.50. So we advise to sell closer to this level with stops above 71.55. Also we will use a possible down tick to 67.80, 68.20 to establish a new long position with a close stop loss. As regarding the dollar Canada, here the situation is much more promising for the Canadian dollar. Canadian dollar should in the nearest future, as we suggest, should strengthen to the levels of 26.50, where lies first of all a fast kind of current uptrend, as well as a moving average 200 daily line at 26.48. Overall, we suggest that this kind of pair has everything from both of technical or fundamental point of view to extend the losses to 2017-2018 uptrend located around 23.95-24. And finally, some words about the Russian ruble, which closed extremely buoyant during previous trading session below 61.60. We suggest that dollar ruble still has some more downside potential than upside at the moment, but anyway we regard the level between 60 and 65 like a kind of short-term range trading for the currency and for this currency, and we will use an opportunity of a possible downtick below 60.60 to buy the currency with a stop of 30 points. Thank you very much for all of your attention. We are open to any of your comments or suggestions of improvement in our communication with our subscribers, or to improve our appearance with our reports. Thank you very much that you are with us, and see you tomorrow, 23rd of May.